Don't dada to the line. Don't dada to the line. Don't dada. Don't dada to the line.
I just check for my Instagram page now, guy. This guy with Khalifa, the boy they smoke well oh. Every time I steady smoking the upload, smoke. That guy go kill himself oh. My guy, calm down, relax first, producer, relax first. What do you want tell me about smoke, guy? What do you want tell me about smoke? Which smoke with Khalifa they smoke? Which they start they smoke self?
Continue.
If you dey mention people where they smoke, guy, he no even join self. If you never call my name, you never start to call people, bros. Tell me something, my brother. See these lips, no be me even get time again, no, bro.
Oh my God.
Me where I don't smoke tea, my lips change to brown. So that your head strong with that too. Your head strong well though. You know the way plantain when you don't leave am for fire, when you don't burn well. You know the color, but now so my lips brown rich, bro. See this guy. Oh boy, I don't smoke where we say I don't smoke fire. I don't see. You know these people, Benson cigarette. Oh boy, those people give me ambassador. Why? I don't too smoke, bros. All the clothes I been they wear that time, you go see Benson, you go see Roadmax, all those cigarettes, they all of them, they come, they appreciate me. Which kind smoke I never smoke? I don't smoke Japanese Igbo, I don't smoke Chinese Igbo, I don't smoke Jamaican Igbo. Which I never smoke, bros? Guy, I say I don't they smoke since where they wear pampers. No be even say na the big pampers, the small one where small children the vest they wear. See this guy. If you area know me now, they call me exhaust. Community they talk about my matter, they tire, bros. I dey smoke every second. You never smoke 5 Igbo at a time. You don't try am before. I dey put on like this, I dey smoke. Even my ear they come on smoke. Sef.
You
see this guy, sha. Oh boy, no try me oh if na smoke. With Khalifa never see anything. Ask am who teach am how to smoke if no be me. Na Snoop Dogg teach am oh, but na me teach Snoop Dogg.
It is what it is. Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.
See my brother, as you watch that video, you know like am. You know like am. Oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don't dada say so.
Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.